All right, so I'm trying to record the current flight of the KCAL 9 News helicopter. They were hovering in place briefly right there, just off of 54th and Ocean Boulevard. Strangely, they were doing the same thing yesterday, and I don't quite understand what they find so compelling over here when it seems the news is actually down on the peninsula. I'm sure it's a coincidence that on both occasions they were originally pointed in this direction, about 300 meters from where I've been working, which I'm sure is just a coincidence. But it wouldn't be the first time that I've had weird experiences with the media. So it's a little record of bizarre behavior with aircraft. Have a nice day, everybody.